Alright guys, what we got going on today is I got a leak right here inside my closet where the water heater used to be that runs up, you know, because I've got a tankless water heater in here now, so it goes up and it's mounted up in the attic. Let me get a light so I can shine in here and get some of this stuff out of the closet so it's out of my way, and then I'll be right back. Hey, will it fit in there? Oh, that'll work. Let me get some of this other stuff out of here. Swiffer sweeper. What's that? What's a Swiffer sweeper? Hey, will this light work? Hey, how you go? That works. Shine some light on the subject. Alright. There we go. Extra 3/4 inch tubing. We'll just set that out here. Hopefully we don't need it, but we might. Alright, so I've already made up this part right here, right? Basically that's just the bottom piece there that I got that's going to go on there, and I got it all clamped there on the elbow. And what I'm doing is I'm going to install this shut-off valve on it so I can turn the water off from in here to the rest of the house instead of having to go out to the curb and turn off the water. So basically this is going to go about right there, but in a little bit. So I need to cut this off. Let me take these Phillips screws out. That one's already out. Yeah, let me take these out and then I'll either get some new screws or I'll drill holes and I'll put me some anchors in there. Not that I need it. I don't even think it needs an anchor. It probably doesn't even need this strap. You can see the green on that thing. Let me show you. See what we're looking at there? That happens whenever you mix metals. You get that oxidation, kind of like on the top of your battery posts. But yeah, you can see it leaking. Come on, show us the leak. There it goes. I'm going to say 2 inches just to be on the safe side there. We'll mark this at about what, 2? Yeah, we'll go 2. So we'll say about right here. Why not? Now I got the cheap old cutters, but this works really good with 1/2 inch. But this 3/4 inch stuff, well, that's a whole different animal, let me tell you. See how it's wanting to cut all crookeded at an angle? It's because it's the blade's not very it's not very stiff. I need to get a bigger unit that will, you know, cut these down stronger, so it'll cut it more straighter on this 3/4 stuff, since I'm going to be working with some 3/4 stuff in the future. Alright, so anyway, so if that goes about right there, okay, which is about perfect. So we need to marker again here. Alright, let's go back up here. There we go. Alright, so that's going to go right here. So I'm going to cut this about, oh, let's go about right here. That should be enough. Alright, we're going to go about right there. Goodness gracious. I definitely need to invest in another pair of tubing cutters. There we go. It's cut. Goodness gracious. All right. Let me get my sharp knife out. Alright, so we should be able to just bend this down. Yeah, like that. Alright. I don't think this will get on there, but I'm gonna try. There we go. Yeah. There you go. When in doubt, just get a bigger set of pliers. Alright? You don't need to worry about using the bigger pliers. It's fine. Alright, this should come off. Come on. No, using all the tools today. And this should go right underneath. There we go. And just bend it over. Yeah. Come on out there. There we go. Yeah. And then bend this piece here out of the way. And then just take that off of there. I'll tell you how much I love doing plumbing work. Yeah. Alright. Bend this one down. Come on. There you go. Yeah, Robert's Garage taught me that little trick. Alright. Don't want to just come off, huh? Yeah, I guess we'll just have to use the old razor blade. There we go. Yep. There we go. How you like that? This piece here is broke. Well, and it's not inside here, so it's probably why it's leaking. It's not inside there. So it must be part of the green. It's got green all around it, so it's disintegrated. Perfect. Yeah, that's soldered on too. Well, when it rains it pours, I guess. That can be fixed at a later date. And at least I'll be able to turn the water on and off from inside here. Yep. All right. Right there. Opens. That closes. And then of course that'll go on there just like that. And it could be a little shorter, I guess, but it'll be fine. Yeah, hopefully that'll hold it right there. Goodness gracious. If that doesn't stop the leak for now, then it's going to have to drip for a little while until I can cut this out, I guess. Pull this off and put another one of those on there. Have to sweat another fitting on there. Alright, let me go turn the water on, see if that helps. Hopefully don't flood the house out. Alright, what do we got here? Alright, we're on. Yep, same as places we were before because of that fitting. Okay, well, I'm afraid I'm going to have to live with it until I can. Let me see if I've got any pieces of PEX there. Oh, yep. Alright, we're going to need a fitting that I don't have. Well, the good news is it has the same leak as it had before, but at least I can turn the water off to it now. So, I'm going to have to get a sweat nipple for PEX to put on there. And then, yeah, see if we can fix that. Alright, well, that's it for now. I appreciate you watching. We'll get back on it whenever I get that piece and I'm ready to repair that. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!